Wireless charging on the iPhone 16 is super convenient, but if you're expecting fast charging speeds, there are a few important things you need to get right. Many users place their phone on a wireless charger and assume it's charging as fast as possible, but that's not always the case. The speed depends on the type of charger, alignment, and even the power adapter you're using. Without the proper setup, your iPhone will still charge but much slower than it could. The key is understanding how Apple's wireless charging system works and using the right accessories to unlock faster speeds. Once everything is set up correctly, you'll get a much quicker and more efficient charging experience without needing to plug in any cables. Try these. Step 1. Use a MagSafe compatible wireless charger for faster charging speeds. Step 2. Connect the charger to a 20W or higher power adapter. Step 3. Place your iPhone 16 on the charger, aligning it properly with the magnets. Step 4. Make sure the phone is centered for optimal charging efficiency. Step 5. Check for the charging animation on the screen. Step 6. Leave it undisturbed to maintain consistent fast wireless charging.